welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I filmed this green and purple look inspired by Holly Flynn. She is a makeup artist based in Manchester and I was lucky enough to have a lesson with her early last year. She's just amazing. She changed my makeup game for the better. So I basically saw this look she posted a few months ago and just had to recreate it but put my own spin on it. I think it'd be perfect for festival season, or if you're just feeling brave one day, want to go to the shop, feeling funky, why not? You do you. So yeah, I hope you all like it, hope you enjoy. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, keep on watching. To begin, I've just used the P. Louise base in shade 2 with a Zoeva 144 brush, and I've just carved under my brow and set my lid. I'm now just using the Sample Beauty Spectrum palette, and I'm going to be using the purple, green and yellow shade. I'm now just going to take this darkest green here and just work that into my outer corner, focusing it into the crease. So this is going to be the darkest green that I use. I'm also going to be using a bit of black as well, just to create a bit more dimension. And I know I've not got lashes on yet, which I usually have, but I can't decide which ones I want yet, so I'm just going to wait till my eyes are fully finished and then make a decision. Using a Zoeva 231, I'm now just going to go in with this middle purple here, and that's going to be my inner corner colour. So just working that again into the crease and just bringing it up to blend into the green. And it'll look absolutely ridiculous to start with, but it will look better. You have to just trust the process. Now using a Zoeva 224 with nothing on it, just to blend out the edges, so the next colour can blend seamlessly. Using a Zoeva 227, I'm just going to go in with this yellow colour here and buff that into the green. I'm now going to use the Be Perfect Carnival palette, and I'm just going to take Wifey and buff that just over the purple. Taking the 224 again, I'm just buffing out the edges of that colour as well. I'm now just using the black from the Spectrum palette and just adding that into my crease just to create some more depth. And just going over that green again. And the purple. So the camera decided to die whilst I was doing the cut crease spotlight eye. Basically I've just gone in with the P. Louise base. I then added Bollywood Pigment by Peaches and Cream to the centre part of the cut crease. I then used Savage Pigment by Iconic just to the outer and inner parts of the cut crease, and then to the centre over Bollywood I added these two yellow glitters which are just from eBay. I'm just going to add some glitter to my brow bone as well. I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue and I'm just going to place that to my brow bone and just bringing it into the cut crease. So I'm just beginning with Bollywood, which is a yellowy gold pigment. Then going to add this finer glitter just over the top, just bringing that into the cut crease, and then now applying the chunky one over the top. I'm now taking some base on a Morphe M165 brush and I'm going to create a winged liner. and I'm just going to add some shadow over the top to make it purple. So just starting with the lash line. Now just adding on the purple shadow from the Spectrum palette. And now just going to clean under my eye. Now just adding some base under my eye, ready for the lower lash line eyeshadow. Just using a Molly O'Brien Tory brush and the same base. Just using exactly the same colours underneath as I did on top, so starting with the green, just running that along my lash line. And then the purple. And I'm just going to add a little bit of yellow underneath the green. And then that lighter pink under that purple. Now just using the Maybelline gel liner with a Zoeva 317 wing liner brush. I'm just going to add that into my waterline. Now for the glitter under my eye, I'm using this multicoloured glitter. I think it's from eBay, so I can't exactly say where I got it from, but I will try and find the seller. But it's just like purples, yellows and oranges, so I thought it'd tie in well with this look. So I'm just adding some of the glue under my eye and now just dabbing that on. So now for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Peaches and Cream and Bollywood again and just add that to my corner of my eye. I'm then going to go in with the finer yellow glitter and just add some of that to the corner of my eye as well. And then finally I'm going to go in with MAC Nylon and just add that over the top just to give it a little extra pop. Now for lashes, I literally don't know which ones I want to use, so bear with. So for lashes, I've decided on the ASM lashes in the style Amore. So while my lashes are drying, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm just going to run this along my lower lashes. To prep my skin, I'm just going to use the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. I haven't used this in a while and I've actually forgot if I like it. So I'm going to test it for you. It does feel so smooth on the skin. I'm just always so wary of primers because I have such oily skin. But this one does feel really nice. For foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay in Sun Beige. I know this is like a total different colour to my face, but I've got tan on and I'm going to run it down my neck, so it'll be fine. So I've just completed my foundation and I've also done my eyebrows. My camera overheated, so I had to give it a little bit of a timeout. I'm now just going to use the Peggy Sage concealer under my eyes. On the bridge of my nose, on my forehead and on my chin. And now I'm just going to buff this in with the Molly O'Brien Tory brush. To set the concealer, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC10 with a BH Cosmetics Style 1 brush. To contour my nose, I'm using the Hoola Benefit Bronzer with a Morphe M572 brush, and I'm just going to run this along my nose and up to my brow. And underneath. To set the rest of my face, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Tan. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics Style 2 brush. For bronzer, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest on a BH Cosmetics Style 1 brush. Just buffing this under my cheekbones. Taking a damp sponge and the Laura Mercier powder, I'm just going to carve under my cheekbones just to make them a bit more defined. I'm also just going to do where my liner goes as well, just to create a bit more dimension to the face. For blusher, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution blushes, just mixing the 4 together. And I'm also now just going to concentrate on this brighter one, just add that to my apple of my cheek. For highlights, I'm taking the Doll Beauty highlight palette in Shine Bright and Like a Diamond. Just going in with Shine Bright first, adding this to my cheekbones. And then Like a Diamond to my nose, forehead, chin, Cupid's bow, and then a little bit more to my cheeks. I'm now taking the MAC Prep and Prime in Gold Light. I'm just going to spray. So for lips, I think I'm going to go for a nude colour. For liner, I'm going to take NYX liner in Nude Truffle. I'm going to take NYX Lingerie Lip Gloss in Baby Doll. I'm going to add this Barry Gloss Me Up lip gloss. I don't know what shade this is in, but it's got like a shimmer sparkle to it. It literally smells of bubblegum. Oh my god, it's so nice. I literally want to eat it. I feel like that's a little bit too light for me, so I'm going to add Peaches and Cream lip gloss in Suede just over the top. So this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, please go follow my Instagram, which is @makeupbyabigaillemma. Thank you.